Today I'm going to give you an example of how to vary up a lunch. So we're going to do the chickpea salad with chicken with a curried flavour, and then we're going to do the same type of lunch but this time using fish. Very handy to pre-prepare one dish so it's in your fridge, and that's the chickpea salad which I chopped. And here's the chicken variety which you can then marinate in lemon and a Balti spice curry and just leave it in the bowl. So prepare your 2 or 5 or however many lunches that you're preparing with your salad and chickpea, and then you can take your chicken that's marinating and fry it in a skillet pan so that you get a really nice coloured flavoured chicken. And then today I'm just going to have the mackerel. I fancy a bit of fish. Now you don't use all the marinade from the chicken, just pick up individual pieces of chicken, add them to a skillet pan, and put a tiny bit of oil in the skillet pan, and then when you add each piece, just leave them sit there for about 4 minutes and they'll nicely brown on one side, and then turn them again, allow them to sit without moving them, and you'll brown each side evenly. Now to cook a fish, the skin will come off easily, so use a non-stick frying pan, rubbing a little bit of oil onto the base of it. So here's your chicken. It's cooking very nicely. Turn each piece individually. If it dries out, add marinade. If it's burning, turn it down. That's on about a 6. I use this shaker of chili and garlic flakes to put on the flesh of fish because it just makes it look nice. The bulk of the fish cooking will be done on the skin, and then very lightly turn it and you'll get that type of a nice brown effect on the top. So there's your fish with the salad and a slice of low-carb bread. It's very tasty. And I'm going to give you the details of it there in terms of the carbs and the fibre. 14 carb, 10 gram of fibre. And look at the chicken, it was gorgeous, really, really succulent. So when I say just do it, stop thinking about how to lose weight and just do it. Food prep, food cook and plan, and make lovely food.